Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete your Genshin Impact account. You can do this process from both your PC as well as your mobile device. So what you have to do is open any web browser and open your mail service provider. And just to make things clear, you cannot delete your account through the official Genshin Impact browser. So we'll have to do it through our mail service provider. And now, once you're in your mail service provider, you'll have to compose a mail to two email addresses which will be in the description. You can copy both of those addresses from there. So these are the two mail addresses you'll have to send a mail to. Now, regarding the subject, simply type in request to delete my account, and in the body you can write your own reason why you are requesting to delete your account, or you could simply copy whatever I write. And once you've written this much, simply send the mail. You'll get a message back from them, and then you can follow with the procedure. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.